Welcome to Kids World.
Namaste, friends, come along, let's learn what makes India strong.
Kata sari dhoti too. India styles are proud and true.
Spicy, sweet, and oh so fun. India's dishes, everyone. Naan and paneer from the north, flavors dancing back and forth. Idli, dosa, sambar delight, from the south a tasty bite. The Taj Mahal of love shining in the night. Temples tall with bells that ring, faith and joy in everything. Snowy hills up in the sky, mountains tall where eagles fly. Diwali lights and Holi hue, India's festivals bright and true. Food, dress, places from every part, we love India with all our heart.
Hi kids, hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos.